Welcome to Cultural Entertainment TV, your ultimate destination for vibrant global celebrations, cultural deep dives, and unforgettable experiences. Today, we're transporting you straight to the heart of Brazil's most explosive festival, Rio de Janeiro, Carnival 2026. Imagine a city of over 6 million people transformed into one massive pulsating dance floor. Streets alive with rhythm, colors exploding everywhere. Feathers, sequins, drums thundering through the night. That's Rio Carnival. It's not just a party, it's a cultural explosion, a living masterpiece of music, dance, history, and joy. And in 2026, from February 13th to February 21st, the marvelous city will once again crown itself the capital of celebration. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss our cultural adventures. Like this video if you're already feeling the samba beat, and drop a comment telling us, have you ever dreamed of dancing in Rio Carnival? Let's get into it. First, let's set the scene. Rio de Janeiro Carnival 2026 officially kicks off on Friday, February 13th and runs through Saturday, February 21st. The core festivities build around the weekend, with the legendary Sambadrome parades happening on Sunday the 15th, Monday the 16th, and Tuesday the 17th for the elite special group Samba schools. Then the grand finale, the Champions Parade on Saturday the 21st, where the winning schools return for one last spectacular show. But Carnival doesn't wait for official dates. The energy starts building months earlier with pre-Carnival Blocos, those infectious street parties, and rehearsals that turn neighborhoods into open-air concerts. By early February, the whole city is buzzing. Preparations are intense. Samba schools have been working since the previous carnival ended, pouring heart and soul into their themes, or enredos. What makes Rio Carnival so unique? It's the Samba schools. These aren't just dance groups. They're community institutions, cultural powerhouses rooted in Rio's neighborhoods. Born in the 1920s from Afro-Brazilian traditions, they blend music, storytelling, and spectacle. The first official Samba school parade competition happened in the 1930s, evolving from street processions into the massive judged extravaganzas we know today. In 1984, the iconic Sambadrome Marquês de Sapucaí opened, a purpose-built avenue designed by Oscar Niemeyer, where parades now take place. It's about 700 meters long, with grandstands, VIP boxes, and sectors holding up to 70,000 spectators per night. Each Samba school gets roughly 65 to 80 minutes to perform, timed precisely. Every second counts in the competition. The structure is military-like in its precision, yet wildly creative. Each parade tells a story through an enredo, a theme chosen by the school. In 2026, themes draw heavily from Afro-Brazilian heritage, tributes to icons, historical reflections, and celebrations of Brazilian culture. Schools weave politics, folklore, social issues, and pure fantasy into their narratives. A typical Samba school parade includes key elements that wow the judges and the crowd. The Comissão de Frente, the opening group, often 15 performers telling the story's essence through choreography. Think interpretive dance on steroids. The Porta-Bandeira and Mestre Sala, the flag bearer, usually a woman in an elaborate gown, and her partner, the master of ceremonies in tuxedo style, guardians of the school's flag. Their elegance and precision are judged heavily. Alas, wings or sections of hundreds of dancers in themed costumes, moving in sync. The bateria, the heart-pounding drum section, up to 300 percussionists delivering thunderous samba rhythms that make your chest vibrate. Floats, massive, multi-level sculptures on wheels, often 10 to 15 meters high, covered in lights, feathers, and performers. Baianas, women in traditional white Bahia dresses, spinning and honoring Afro-Brazilian roots. The king and queen of the battery, plus the school's godparents and celebrities who join for extra flair. The special group in 2026 features 12 top-tier schools parading over 3 nights. On Sunday, February 15th, Acadêmicos de Niterói, Imperatriz Leopoldinense, Portela, and Estação Primeira de Mangueira. Monday the 16th brings Mocidade Independente de Padre Miguel, Beija-Flor de Nilópolis, Unidos do Viradouro, and others. Tuesday the 17th rounds out with the remaining elite contenders. Each school competes fiercely. Judges score on 10 categories: Samba enredo, song and theme harmony; evolution, how the group moves; harmony, plot development; costumes, floats, bateria, flag bearer, opening group, and overall impression. The champion is crowned on Ash Wednesday, but the real victory is the pride of the community. Now let's talk about the street side, the free, chaotic, joyful heart of Carnival. Blocos de Rua are neighborhood street bands and parties, over 500 in Rio during Carnival Week. Anyone can join. No tickets needed. Wear a costume, grab a beer, and dive in. Popular ones include Bola Preta, the biggest with millions following, Seu na Terra in Santa Teresa, and Carmelitas in the Hills. Blocos start early in the day and go late. Music ranges from classic samba to funk karaoke, axe, and pagode. It's democratic. Everyone from locals to tourists, rich to poor, dances together. Safety tip: stay hydrated, watch your belongings, and use official apps like Visit Rio Blocos for schedules and maps. Beyond the Sambadrome and Blocos, Carnival offers balls like the legendary Baile do Copa at Copacabana Palace. Glamorous black tie affairs with live orchestras and celebrity sightings. Or the gay balls, drag shows, and themed parties across the city. Preparations for 2026 have been epic. Samba schools began theme selection right after 2025 ended. Workshops buzzed with costume makers sewing thousands of pieces by hand. Floats were built in massive warehouses, batteries rehearsed for months. The city ramps up security, transportation, and health services to handle millions of visitors. Rio Carnival's history is rich. Roots trace to Portuguese intrudo water fights in the 1700s, mixed with African rhythms brought by enslaved people. By the early 1900s, samba emerged in Rio's favelas. Schools like Mangueira, founded in 1928, gave voice to the marginalized. Today, it's UNESCO-recognized intangible cultural heritage. The energy is electric. Picture Copacabana Beach packed with revelers, fireworks lighting Ipanema, Christ the Redeemer overlooking the chaos, the scent of feijoada, caipirinhas, street food, the sound, non-stop drums, whistles, cheers. For first-timers, book tickets early for Sambadrome. Sectors vary from grandstands to frisas, boxes, comfortable shoes, light clothing under costumes, sunscreen. Respect local customs. Smile, dance, immerse. Carnival is more than fun. It's resistance, identity, celebration of life. In tough times, it unites Brazil. As we wrap this epic journey through Rio de Janeiro Carnival 2026, remember, this is the world's largest party, a cultural phenomenon that pulses with history and hope. If this got your heart racing, smash that like button, subscribe to Cultural Entertainment TV for more global festivals, travel vibes, and cultural stories. Share with friends dreaming of Rio. Comment below. Which Samba school would you root for? Planning to go in 2026? Drop your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Stay cultural, stay entertained. Until next time, Samba on.